Good morning. So here's our new front garden bed. My husband has finished tilling it yesterday. So he has planted or transferred our blue juniper, and then planted some phlox and the lantana that we bought here. There's a phlox in front, and we're ready to plant the boxwoods, the hibiscus, the roses, and he has transferred also the other boxwood here. Okay, so I'll be trying to plant these, but it's drizzling, so maybe I'll wait a little bit later. And I don't know, but this rose has spider mites. I tried to remove them, but hopefully they're gone. I guess I'll prune some of the leaves. Okay. It's a cloudy day, still cloudy. So I was able to plant the, the shrubs that were in pots this morning. So this is the yellow knockout rose, the hibiscus, the true passion knockout rose, and then the boxwood, the green mountain boxwood, and the 4 green velvets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I also planted the hollyhock in the corner because next year it won't have any flowers. So it's best that it will be just there. And also there are no other flowering shrubs there. So it will be good to have flowers in that spot. Okay, so that's it for now. This is our newly planted front garden bed. Hopefully, they will all survive, yeah, especially the roses. Okay. Hello, good morning. Outfit for today. We're going out. I'm going out for a walk. It's a very cloudy day, so it's a good day to walk outside. Okay, see you later. These are the sunflower that I started from seed. I know it's late, but I hope it will still flower before winter comes or before our last frost or first frost. And then I put the hostas outside. I'm planning to plant them today. Look for spots where I can plant them, and also these 4 eucharis. Okay. The marigolds are blooming and I like the red orange color. And just to show again, our dahlia. So many flowers now. 3 or 4. 3 or 4. And I have 2 more of the orange ones. Also the marigolds here are blooming and the flowers are so nice. So another dahlia is beginning to open. I don't know what color, but hopefully it will be the red one, the one that we had before. And I plan to move these eucharas. This is a red one, but it didn't flourish here because it was so, I guess, so hot, and the leaves always burn. The same thing here for the two peachberry eyes. I wanted them because they were supposed to be colored orange or red orange, but here they don't look pretty and always get burned. It's the other one, so I plan to move them to the front and see if it will be better for them. There. Okay. Sedum starting to color up. And I've already planted the coreopsis. So it's between the two boxwoods. Okay. So I plan to put the eucharis here on this side. Jun said I can plant it here because he has other plants for the rest of the garden. Okay. This is the pink panther that we bought from Meyer. And it looks so similar to my other eucharis. So this one is the Primo Wild Rose from Proven Winners. And these two are the Pearberry Eyes. Pearberry Eyes. So they look the same. Not exactly the same, just the shades. It's just so funny. And here is the Paris Coral Bells, which we planted last spring. And also the other one, which I divided. So there are two. Okay, I'm going to plant them. This pink panther in the front garden. It's so, since it is full sun. So just wanted to put it here to compare because it really looked very similar. Okay. I'm planning to take out the 3 eucharis so I can transfer them to the front. Then maybe they'll be better. They'll look better. This is the peachberry ice. Peachberry eyes and one, I think this is forever red, and I can further divide this into two because there are two plants. So it will be small, but I can divide if I want more plants. trying to decide how to space or how to design the eucharis. I'm not sure to how to place them. Okay, so let's try this. Maybe in the middle. So I will divide the Forever Red Euchara since there are two, and I will groom them. So there are two. And I will plant them now. removing all the dead or dried leaves just to make it a bit prettier. And there are small leaves that are starting to grow. Last one, a bigger one. This is the plum pudding. So here in this bit. this is what it's looking right now, and I'm happy. I think it will look good when they grow. Okay. And then let's try the other one over there. Okay, I hope they're in a line. I think so. So these are the two hostas I'm planning to plant in the side garden. This is the Dream Queen, and it has two plants or two main branches, main body, so I can divide them into two. So I will try to divide and then plant those two beside the other hosta that I planted a month ago. Okay. So this is where I plan to plant the hosta. So one over there, one over here, and then the other one there on top. So I think it will look pretty. And this is the other hosta that we planted a month ago. It looks good now with full leaves. Okay. So I will divide this hosta now into two so I can get more plants for my money. So this dream queen has two plants or two branches, and I can divide. I will try to divide them into two. So there are two clear divisions. So let me try to divide.
beside the old hosta that I planted a month ago. So hopefully they will grow bigger too, like the